Let's quickly recap Apache Pig. What is Apache Pig? Apache Pig is a component built on top of Hadoop and SDFS ecosystem. It is a scripting language which can facilitate querying, transforming, and filtering huge datasets. Since it is built over Hadoop and SDFS, it leverages distributed computing by default. It can use either MapReduce or Tej as its execution engines. Not just that, Apache Pig also supports custom user-defined functions, where developers can create custom functions and distribute to other developers. Apache Pig also comes with its own scripting language. As in Hive, we used SQL queries to interact with the data. In Apache Pig, it has its own language which can be used to query, transform, or even filter huge volumes of data. And we will see some of that in action in our upcoming lessons.